Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. This is part 2 of 6 revolutionary small companies to watch. Why fly a drone when you can fly a swarm of them? There's a company called Shield AI that makes fully autonomous drones that work together like digital wolf packs. It's created what military strategists dream about: aircrafts that can fly, fight, and coordinate without human pilots. They don't rely on GPS, making them immune to enemy jamming. Another company to watch is Epirus, E-P-I-R-U-S. They make microwave weapons that instantly disable enemy drones by frying their electronics. It can knock out swarms of 100 plus drones out of the sky. U.S. Marines have already purchased portable versions that can be towed behind a Humvee. Another company, Saronic, S-A-R-O-N-I-C. They're building self-sailing boats that patrol the seas on their own. These sleek, unmanned ships can scout ahead of Navy vessels and hunt out submarines for weeks without refueling or risking human lives. It's a robo-navy. Another company, Antares. Over 3,000 U.S. soldiers were killed in fuel supply convoys in Iraq and Afghanistan between 2003 and 2007. Imagine how many lives would be saved with an energy source that eliminated the need for constant refueling. That's what Antares is building. These are micro-nuclear reactors that can power military bases, ships, without refueling for years. Last one is Hadrian. All these revolutionary systems need someone to build them, and Hadrian is using AI-powered robotics to reinvent manufacturing for the defense industry. Its automated factories can churn out defense components 10 times faster and half the cost of traditional methods. Palmer Luckey was 24 when he founded Antares. Isaiah Taylor of Valor Atomics is 24. Augustus Dorico of Rainmaker makes cloud-seeding drones that control the weather. He's 23. Today, just 5 companies capture over 80% of the defense dollars. That's a problem because innovation has been very slow, because there's no competition. I'll talk more in part 3 about how these youngsters are changing that right now.